Hey guys, it's me, Uncle Robbie. Welcome back to Uncle Robbie's Science Corner. Tonight we're going to play with some really nice parts from Schaller. Stay tuned and let's get ready for action! Hey guys, it's me again, and tonight we're back working on the ICEMAN base. I'm really excited about this. I can't wait to play this thing. This thing's going to be so cool. So, without further ado, let's get down to the nitty-gritty on the bridge. I'm going to show you this thing. This is really cool parts, okay? So I'm going to zoom the camera back down onto bass guitar, and we're going to, how do you say, get jiggy with it. Okay, so just let's zoom this down in here, okay, and let's get jiggy with it. Okay, this is a Schaller 8-string bass bridge. These things, this is my review on these, okay. Now I have one of these on my, I don't know if you ever saw the video of me doing Don't Stop Bleeding or Don't Stop Believing with the Atomic Rewind at rehearsal, but I do have another 8-string bass. It's an Explorer shaped. There's a real cool story behind that one. And one day I'll have to tell it to you. You know, I'll be like my friend Michael Skews, or I don't know how to say his last name, but I'll leave you a link to his channel in the description. Guy's a real guitar shredder. He's a cool dude. He puts up a video virtually every day of him just doing his daily shred. Dude is cooler than shit. So. I really like him, never met him, wish I could start a band with him. Anyway, another one of my fans that I always want to talk about. Anyway, this is a Schaller. Okay, they come really nice. This is made in Germany. Okay, it says Schaller, the original innovators. And this is a 3D-8, okay? You can see on the back there it says Schaller 3D-8, okay? Little barcode in the back. It's black chrome. Like I said, this is going to be all black hardware. When we unbox it, it has its little thin pieces of foam, which this is great foam, actually, like I said, for wrapping the battery up on the inside, because you just wrap that battery and shove it into the control cavity, and it stays. Okay, it comes with this little package of 3 screws, okay? And here it is. Oh, wow, check that out. Now, this is the black chrome version. I have the regular chrome version on my 8-string Explorer. Which is a cool, it's a cool little bass that I've been messing with, and it was basically one of my prototype basses when I started just dicking around with doing this stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the little peel right now, and ooh, isn't that pretty? It's got a little S on it for Schaller. Okay, now the other thing that I'm going to tell you about this. Schallers are you can see 3 holes, okay? See, there's 1, 2, 3, there you can see them, 3 holes. 3-hole mounting, okay? These are pretty much drop-in replacements for a 3-hole, I don't know, Fender bridge. Never really, you know, have ever used anything aside from a badass bridge, okay? Except for the Rick bridges. I use badass bridges on everything, and I'll do a video about that. I'm going to do a shootout of badass bridges one of these days. But anyway, this bridge, this is drilled for 5 holes. This is a standard 5-hole type of Fender. This would fit a badass bass too, or, you know, a hip shot kick-ass bridge, the way these holes are drilled. If you put the center hole here into the center hole there, it should work, because on my other bass it did. Now, I got to find the center hole. There's the center hole, so it would be there, okay? And that's how that would look. So The other two holes, though, we're going to have to locate them. The way we're going to do that is we're going to take a piece of regular little masking tape, right? I'm going to just put it over here, okay? All right? And we're going to take a pen and a straight edge, which I have right here, and we're going to go across the holes in a straight line. Okay, let's find them. Here's one hole. We'll poke a hole in the holes. Where's my holes? What do I say, guys? What do I always say, guys? Leave it in the comments. What can I never find? That ding-dang hole I can never find. There's one. There should be one. No, not there, not there, not there. Well, there's the fifth hole. Okay. What we're going to do is we're just going to draw a line. Okay, can you see what I'm doing? Okay. To find... Okay? And that is what's going to be the center hole. Now, what we're going to do is find this, and we're going to put that into the center hole. Okay? All right? And what we should do now is we'll take one of the mounting screws here, okay, and we're going to shove that in there, right? We're going to stick that in. Bada, 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 bing. Oh, also, this comes with the Allen wrench. Don't frigging lose this, okay, because this is some weird size metric one. I'm sure I have one someplace, but guess what? If you've got one, don't lose it. What I'm actually going to do is take that wrench and tape it to this bass guitar. Now, I'm going to screw that in just far enough, okay? Actually, what I'm going to do is screw it in all the way, all right? And hopefully, there you go, there you go. Oh my God, it's in. Crank it down harder. Oh my God, yes, wonderful. I know I shouldn't do that. That sounds too very, 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 very mature. But it doesn't matter. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get my drill bit proper sized. And it's a little small. I don't know. I don't know what size drill I should use. Probably about that big. I mean, what you want to do is fit the drill up. Oh, there you go. Okay? You want to make sure your drill is... That's a little bit small. We want to make the pilot hole maybe a little bigger. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll use a drill about this size. You know, oops, I got to put a battery in it. I put a battery in my hand drill. Okay? And back that back. We're just gonna we got our line right here. See, we don't want to put this on cockeyed. And you guys can't really see it, but I can see it. So I can see basically where that line I drilled is right in the center of the hole. And what I'm going to do is right now, you don't want to go down too far. Okay? These are just pilot holes. And this wood in this base is so soft that I probably could just drill drive this thing right into it. And as a matter of fact, I might just do that. So what I'm going to do right now is take my little center. You know what I am? Because I'm sick and tired of this. And I always tell people not to do this, but you know what? If you're skilled enough, like I said, I'm a trained machinist and a professional psychotic. So kids, don't try this at home. But you know what? I've been doing this for so long that at this point, it don't matter. Oops, and that just came loose. Okay, so there's my drill. I'm going to do now is pop that out, blow this sawdust off. See that? And you can see how that, it's kind of in line. That's a little cockeyed. So what I'm going to have to do is put this in here And I'm going to have to move this back just a hair. Just a little bit of a hair. Just a hair. It's not really going to matter. A millimeter or two is not going to throw you off all that much. Guitar intonation, though, guys, is... You don't... That's why you probably don't want to use a cordless drill driver on screw. Okay, what you want to do is take the clutch off a little bit. And now, I can see my 2 pilot holes. Okay? And let's just see how this works. And is this on low speed or high speed? There's 2 speeds on this thing, I do believe. Anyway. Okay. I'm going to just put that there. You can see where I'm going. And finish the rest by hand. Okay. And move that back there. There you go. Psych. And I don't know if I drilled the pilot holes deep enough. Oops. Lost also the tip of my screwdriver. Let me just try and get that down there a little further. Might have to re-drill the pilot holes a bit deep, wee bit deeper. Your results may vary. Nah, this thing's going right in. I just unclutched it so it wouldn't strip my screw. And there you go. Oops. There you go with that. There's the center one. And there's the high strings. Okay. And that thing is snug as a bug on a rug. That is, wow, beautiful. Now, the other thing about this bridge is I'm not actually going to do the intonation on this myself. I'm going to bring it to a very, very, very skilled luthier named Tom Lieber. He's made guitars for everybody from Stanley Clarke. I mean, he had the Stanley Clarke Signature Series bass. He's built Jerry Garcia's guitar from the Grateful Dead. He built basses for John Entwistle. So I'm going to actually bring this to him to have the intonation done, okay, and the strings filed in. And I'm going to bring this to Tom Lieber at Lieber Guitars. And the great thing here, let's get back to me. Okay, guys. Zoom out, zoom in, my boom boom. Anyway, I'm going to bring it to Tom Lieber at Lieber Guitars to do it, and hopefully he'll allow me to make a video of him doing it for me. So anyway, so guys, the other things, how would you feel about one Saturday night or whatever, doing a hangout with me, do a live stream? I know I got like, 5 or 6 normal viewers. Sometimes I get 35 views. If you guys want to see a live stream, what I could do is like let you all know when I would be doing it, and we would just hang out and just do a live chat, and I'd probably just sit back and have a couple of beers, maybe do it out on the front porch just with the laptop, and just to talk to you guys, because you guys really, I mean, you watch these shows, you watch my videos, but you know what, you guys are my friends, and at this point, even though I'm probably never going to meet any of you in real life, you're some of the only friends I have, and I know that sounds pretty friggin' sad, but I just wanted you guys to know that you really mean a lot to me, and I love you, and until the next video, where we review Schaller strap locks, oh, what a thrill for you. Keep on rocking in the free world. I love you guys. Good night.